How can AI help in the growth of banking sector in India?
See, I'll tell you, AI has come as a disruptor. Whether you like it or not, it is a fact of the day. And it is a question of adapting at what stage and at what level. That is going to be the big differentiator. In banking, it's too early to say about it. It's a very nascent stage. Of course, there are certain use cases which we have tested out and it is working out very fine. In my view, AI can definitely step in those places with the mundane work, where you have repeated work, where doesn't require a great great involvement of the human. For example, in a call center.
Yes.
That's a place where we are also doing it in a big way as far as our bank is concerned. We have done a call center. See, the speech, the customer has hardly 2 or 3 minutes to talk about. He is expecting a resolution of his service requirement.
Yes.
He requires a resolution of the complaint. Here, the AI is a great way of understanding the mood of the customer, the requirement of the customer, and it will be able to get connected to the backend centers and then pull the data and present it to the call center employee,
Yes.
who in turn can resolve it quickly.
Process
That's
it
the
further.
best. Yeah. This is one good use case. We have already started utilizing it as a bank. We saw a lot of green shoots, and the quality has gone up. That is another big advantage we saw it. It is able to analyze and give tips to the caller, to my call center employee, saying that these are the ways you could have presented better.
Yes.
That's the best way. If I have to do that alternatively, it would have taken me months.
Yes, of
So
course.
that is a big advantage. Another area in my view is that the risk management is one area where we'll be able to deploy AI in a big way. We haven't done much. We are doing a lot of pilots and other things with the people. Because the risk, it's able to analyze. See, the banking works in fixed framework.
Yes.
And you know about the risk. The world data is available with us, which is able to throw us. Today, my risk team is doing that kind of churning of the data, which AI will be able to do it much better.
Yes.
And there are a couple of other areas where we can do it. Is it can help us in other area of let us say HR. So the due respect to my colleagues, the CV verification is one important factor.
The recent incident.
Yeah, it can step up and say that whether go no go decision can be taken when a CV comes to me, because you know pretty well that the banking is one of the largest employer of the industry.
Yes.
Large pool of if I open a branch, I have to recruit 15 people at various levels. So there will be around hundreds of applications will come. So it's very difficult for my HR manager to manage that. If this is going to happen, this is going to help us out in doing that. These are 3 use cases which are saying it, but it is a limitless.
Yes.
Maybe a time will tell us that how exactly we'll be able to make things better here.
All right, sir. Thank you. Thank you for speaking to us.
Thank you very much.